Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word worsened. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the storm hit, the house's condition worsened due to the extensive damage caused by the strong winds and rain. Worsened in this context means that the condition of the house deteriorated further or became more severe after being impacted by the storm. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.